kataki o wiheni ai whahua ni le ko Paula. Paula, tala mai si moto tungane ngalo o last name. Tamai ko waske, pate tamai ko lasike. Au ke si ilo pe ko e kapau ko Paula ko e whahua ni le pa ke kataki o mea mai. Finehika, Kueni, Maata, kapau Sela, hau kwa whamofonga i a Paula he kuoe ku alu i tua. Mau si fintari a Paula i. Hau kwa Sela havea whamole mole. Mo kataki ka mo whatoto mai pe ngatita. Hau e me whakahela e lea. Step here, but they didn't move up, they didn't go anywhere. Malo Mahata, Weni, Hayati, Finehika, Luisa, Fotu, Kotautomoni Waya, Pamose, Misilosi, Koyatomoni Urakia. Fefe, I dad, a Jessica. Ko Jessica, ko Hoaia o Simote Si'i. Dad in the house from Australia. Oh, okay. All right. Going to Talamai Simote. Simote said you wait over there. He wants. Oh no, you come, James. Come.
Mary.
James, sige luwe mo go Simote. Mo kataki mo paspasi mai papalani. Welcome, James. Good to see you. We have Amelia at home. DJ. Kataki pagwihene mongopuna o koloa matangi. I think ang dementia ay ngokui ko na grandparents ko kumalo ay ngoy kuleka. Bossy? Okay, Sai. Pea kimu ape he tau kamata o ko kore peka ki mo tolu ke mo whamolmore o ki ai pe ai ngahi tutupuni o e whare ko e ni ai ko tau house rules, eh? So, ko whatokanga te peka ki mo tolu. If your child or grandchild is 10 years and under, it would be great if you have them at sight, you need to go with them. If they need to go outside, you need to go with them. Because we do not want any kids to be lost during the day or be injured during the program. So the bathrooms, they are that way. Where Simote is right now, through there, and then there's signs made lea, pa moe taolunga, e whakahoko mai ia, pea meheni, ko hia kai whaingofua ai ngā ue ai tangata koe no kune hanga o live video e tau tari ai ki whewhine o haana e kātoanga o e aha koe ni Miss Liliana ene io Ululua and her parents, grandparents, auntie and uncle.
We
Thank you. You may be seated. Whamaloa to Princess Liliana and Io Ururua Jr. Ni mo kataki paspasi Maya Betty. How beautiful was her words. Okay, ko tau hoka tui tau polo kalama. This is Simote's wife, Jessica, and their beautiful little princess. Now I would like to ask tokoni ulua ki ipea moi ki fefine o poona aho and everything inside this event. Whamoremore mai koe microphone ini koe hili pe. Ia toko tātene whahoka te tau lea taritari ko tui pe ko skilo pe e Simote lahi pe amo ene io toko tāko ia. Hili pe ko ia hoko atu e o wawe keke. Eu ai o mātu a malo. Ko kataka paspasi mai e toko ni ulo aki, ko loa si te tari ki tau katoa ngā malo.
Dear gracious and eternal Heavenly Father, we are joined by His time for thee and grateful and with gratitude in our heart. We're here to be here to celebrate Kalima's first birthday. With family and friends, he'll be always remembered as a special day for her on her first birthday when she grows and she may have the health and strength that she needs and the ability to stand strong with faith. Bless her that she'll be able to become a great leader one day and be able to lead by example when she watches her parents lead in this life. She will bless her to be able to have the ability to overcome any trials as she grows. And that you may be able to continue surrounding the comfy arms around her for her life. Until then, that she may be on your side. We actually bless each and every one of us are here at this time. That we may have the information that we need according to the situations that we're in. And the food that we're about to partake of, that will nourish me up by the Sabbath forward. And as we depart this place today, that we always remember to be faithful in all that we do, according to our need.
Malo whamalo atu ki he tokoni uloa ki, ko hia koe lava ko ia tāpua ki i aho o ene io. Thank you for the blessings, James Losi. We appreciate it very much. The food is blessed. But before the food, we're going to light the candle. And everybody, I would like to ask you to join us in singing happy birthday. Atu ko lava e taulo. Tu pe mua ke whafofonga e atu e lea tari tari. Koe ahoni ko ika nye te ia ha tangata o ma family. Ko au pe ni pe amo sela, pe amo tita. Ko iai pe whangata whawhine o si mo te kau tapu ke maupu ki ai. Pea ko ia tupe ke whafofonga ia tupe harea tari tari e ahoni. O ngoi au pito he, o tā koe ni, ai i kai ke tau, ke oatu ai tari tari koe ni ka ke mo tolo e ahoni. Hane o ngoi ia, ai ki te noa ai, ai mo tupo e ua. Ea, ko ia i he whiawhini, o ko kau katoa. Pea mo ngai mātana whakafo ofa o e ua. Me e whare o sia kumi, mo e whare o harahala, ke taritari whiawhia ki mo tonu, ai piso pe, kai o mahano toko ni. Uile vai toko ni uloa ki, koe piso pe ia. Pea pe foki ki he whamiri o ene io, kai o maha he whamiri o Simote lahi. I would especially like and her dad, coming all the way from Australia to celebrate, to allow us to be part of this celebration. Our little princess turned 1 on Thursday. And today, parents and grandparents and all of us who are part of her larger extended family. So today, let's relax and enjoy. And remember, we have to act like we are under birthday. So don't act like you're coming to a 21st birthday. It's a first birthday, so act like a child. If there is anything that you are not happy about, James said today, we are going to be nourished. And if there's not enough food, come with me, we'll go to McDonald's. But I can see that there are plenty of food. So be happy, be malo. Te tau hoko peko na fufu aloha motari. And now, te tau hoko atu ki he o wau ko ia oi keke. Kataki mai a kina tolu ko ia na whakahoko e polo kalama ko e ni. Jessica, if you could take baby to the back so she can blow her candle. Ko whea te evita, te evita, te evita. Jessica, you can stand at the front. Devita, go and help Jessica. All right, everybody, we have to sing. Kaya fusai ni kuhiva. To pas kasi mo te sige ne kamatahi. Blow the candle. Yay! Tatai mai a voi fast DJ. This is your song, Diana. All right, and that is the cake done. Now, ko ki whatongia pe ni ai keke koia Liliana, whamole mole pe koe ahoni. Keke uloa ki koia Liliana kono mehiktanga tō taha pe. Aia koe keke koe ni whoakia ma le Sieli Lile Ululua. Sieli? Malo apito ko le sieli lile ko cake goes to the sister of the dad of whoever's birthday it is. And because Timothe's only got one sister, the cake is hers. But another step in our culture, Kelly's dad's brother, a sister. And today, he's only got one sister here, and that is Sela. Ko Sela, o bihena Sela maugui, ko hingoe maugui ko Sela. Ki hono mehitanga ko Sela. Saya ke ki hawa ko loia o spend patata patata o ke so piki. Malo DJ pea koe keke hoko o ko fuaki ia ke he ku ako no whakanofo e toko ni ulaki ko pisope. Whakanofo ia e au ke pisope a honi. James Losi, I've granted you the bishop name for the day. And this cake is for you. Keke wa ave ia pa mai pisope ko owe na whanofo a honi. Kene sinto o keke pisope o kake ke mau ke uni ke pisope a keke. Malo. Thank you, Bishop James. We appreciate you coming today. Malo. Now, Darren is the pastors in the Mormon church. We call them the bishop. And he is assistant number 1, but I've just granted him the name of bishop for the day. Now, the third cake, ave ia ki he tokoni ulat fo o, ko fotu. Fotu tu iwai. Malo ho bea mai tokoni ulat. Whakalata! Ave mai fo ha tolu walu. Tu ke ke olunga na masini ilo ko ko ke ha ha ko nga pa ma hueni o wese Money, just kidding. But you've come all the way from Australia and followed your daughter over here. So we have this to be gifted for you.
And your bestie, sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make this rain go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, I know. Chucking more vino, anane. Chucking more vino, start my jump, it's all jumping. Here we go together. I go, I know.
Malo DJ, malo atuki familia ine iyo for ofa Peter katoanga, and that's the cake. You may have a piece of it later. 10 and under, you can grab your food first. Okay? 10 years and under, you may go with your mom, you may go with your big brother, but you guys go first. Beheke. Okiai pe kau fai fekau heni, okiai kau fai fekau kau elta me kau sista. Please come face style, so that means you can go and come back again. So fill your plate as much as you can, but don't let it overflow, because you'll have a chance to come back again. Ko lava tuia famalo atu piso pe mo tokon piso pe uluaki ko ia ko mo me afuolo heni o taria si e ku to no mo to mui. Kako halu whakalata, ko ke piso pe te pule ulo, o kau whakataha pe amosi. O ka te si kawa ua MC, he kahoa o ko tua au ka simote. Ko ia whamaloa to mo kātaki, mo mea mai pe o mito. Cause from the lips of some old singer, we can share the troubles we already know. Turn on those sad songs when all the
water fresh and clean. Moses gave to his folks the strength to escape from the slavery. Rasta, Rasta man, Rasta man, come on now, take my hand. Rasta, Rasta man, oh oh, Rasta man, if you can. Think about what Isaiah did. Think about Elias' kids. They used all of their energy. Just pray for the eternity. Rasta, Rasta man, ooh, Rasta man, come on now, take my hand. Yeah. Rasta, Rasta man, oh oh, Rasta man, yeah. If you can, everybody say, come on, come on, come on, come on. Rasta, Rasta, Rasta man. Rasta, 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 Rasta man. Take my hand. Lean back, lean back.
Hey, mommy, mommy, mommy. Hey, mommy, mommy, mommy. Let's go, let's go. Para abajo, para abajo. Para arriba, para arriba, para arriba. Para abajo, para abajo, para abajo. Para arriba, para arriba, para arriba. Ay, ay, ay. Uche, ay, 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 ay. Uche, ay, ay, ay. Uche, ay, 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 ay. Uche, dame cadera, cadera, cadera. Dame cintura, cintura, cintura. Dame cadera, cadera, cadera. Dame cintura, cintura, cintura. Puedes parar, porque estás bien hermosa, lady. Es hora de gozar. Súbete a mi coche, baby, boom. Nadie te para. Súbete a mi carcacha, lady. Nadie te para, porque tú sabes cómo menearlo así. Ay, 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 uche, ay, 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 uche, ay, 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 uche, ay, 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 uche. Dame cadera, cadera, cadera. Dame cintura, cintura, cintura. Dame cadera, cadera, cadera. Dame cintura, cintura, cintura. Es hora de gozar, porque estás bien hermosa, lady. Es hora de menear. Préstame ese cuchi, vamos a gozar. No sin parar, mueve la cintura, que tú sí sabes menear. Ay, 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 uche, ay, 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 uche, ay, 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 uche, ay, 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 uche. Dame cadera, cadera, cadera. Dame cintura, cintura, cintura. Dame cadera, cadera, cadera. Dame cintura, cintura, cintura. Solo, bayo, solo pa, manalo, bayo, solo pa, manamo, aurele, awe, latayala. See you, Marco. I feel in the coffee, I'm not here, the papa. I feel in the laco, kama, lealo ali, kupole, saba, uso ali, kaua, mai na yao, alona kaisale, ukongi, ole lima makua. Awe, latayala, awe, si umo, fabema, si papa. Solo, awe, latayala, awe, si umo, fabema, si papa.
kape Mahapon surat ako'y maulungan tahape Iyain kong kalape Ako'y patape ko'y halaway Kung sino pagkatipuay Pagkaman ako
Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, DJ.
A champion, Bunty is a champion, Fallon is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gail is a champion. Don't forget, Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena champion, champion. Everybody knows it, Bravo a champion, 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 champion. Everybody know Chris Gayle is a champion. Football, come and dance in a mind in the ball. Champion, champion. Every trainee and every young man. Champion, champion. And every young man. Champion, champion. Beanie a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunty is a champion, Fallon is a champion, Lara is a champion.
The place to leave for character at home. Oh, yeah, she was like a lady. But when she started her conversation,
Maybe there are some teenagers that can come and give out the gifts. Ke whangi kaureka. He koe aonga pena o whangi mea o whake tufa na ngalo. Malo DJ.
Go, 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 shawty. Go, 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 shawty. Go, 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 DJ. me no go let you. Ay, 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 come Milano. Oh, oh, you want me, dada. Me say me want you, oh, Kelly. You never take him, Kelly, oh. She wandele, wandele. Now I'm 20, we still got like her. Smiling, minding on me every day. Kelly, Kelly, yeah, my girl, you a killer. Oh Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy.
Where you so keen, say you okay.
Body to body, anybody, baby. Come on, everybody, let's have a party, baby. Come on, everybody, to the house of love, oh baby.
I fall in love again. Oh, this time you have to win. I'll never let you go. Baby, can't you really see? I'll never let you go. When the night is over, I'll be by your side. I'll be your lover, baby. I can't hide.
Come on, everybody, let's have a party, baby. Come on, everybody, to the house of love, oh baby. Come on, everybody, body to body, anybody, baby. Body to body, everybody.
I'll never let you go. When the night is over, I'll be by your side. I'll be your lover, baby.
Oh baby, come on everybody, body to body, baby. Everybody is in the house of love tonight. Body to body, everybody, baby. Come on everybody, let's have it.
Y'all see I'm ready, y'all see I'm low.
It's my body, your body, and come on everybody. Oh, ay, ay, bamboleo, oh, ay, ay, bamboleo, oh, ay, ay.
Sonny James, everybody's out at the beat and the wall, I'm just fooling around. We're having fun with me and my crew. While checking out the chicas that are checking out you. You at the party, don't bring another guy.
It's my body, your body. Let's get up, everybody. It's my body, your body, and come on everybody.
Malo apito aya ko lesieli lile ululua. Our first item for this afternoon will be a Tauolunga or a Tongan dance performed by You Lose Your Beauty. Face the front over there. Can I ask Simote and Jessica and Baby and Eo if you guys could come here? Whilst the DJ is looking for Lesieli's song, we would like to thank you. Koe osipe Tauolunga koe ni koe Tauolunga hoko pokalama hoko whakahoko mai ka te au koe whahu koe whamake tau osipe hene ni ma. So we don't have much time. So I will appreciate it if you have a program, just let me know. Otherwise, the DJ can. Pea kono tek teki, o lota whie maari e pe, ai mehik tanga koia o ene io, o Princess ene io, Kataki mai Lesieli, come to the front. My baby Eneio. Baby Eneio. Lesieli, teki. Oh, what a beautiful smile. Malo he angai pala na birthday ko ahoni. If you put any money on any of the programs, that little basket over there represents the colors of Tonga and England. And what that means is that after the birthday, it'll all belong to Princess Eneio Jr. Malo Apito. Malo.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up. The air, put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air and dance to the beat. Put your hands up in the air and dance to the beat.
Taku ke ngalo le Lesieli. Manato e foke folau. Koe tau polokalama fika ua hange ko ku whahoha ane nai. Whahoko atuia i he ngari katoanga lewa e katoanga ko kakato e ngahi turi ki mo ngahi tawhaaki. Sai kake te whalolo ange ki whewhine koe ni ki whahoko atu e ni polokalama malo.
Ere mai ki he whai aho no mokupuna. Pea kuhonga ia e kuloto ke mā ki whai peha whakamāwhana. He koe uhi koe marere mai pe mo e hātua. Mo si mua.
Eneio lahi. Kataki mai. Malo, mo si pas mai ke whaho lile. Malo si kakao mai mi
Wow.
kau mai me tonga tau hoko e peke tau ko kalama ko ko mau mai a whake e whire mui koe ni ke whakahoko ati nea.
Mau kau ngā whakataha e heki i whiohi anga o ku ui koe kalap whia mafi. Pa koe maulele mahe hoa tāni o mau hau pehe whia pa te kia a hingoa koe hou eiki he mau kalapu. Pea koe ne mea kotoa pe o whai pe e hou eiki, ka lue o hou eiki, ka lea o hou eiki. Pea te mau whakalanglangi i pea si mote. Na mau tukuna at mau.
Whanga i ka lesi e nau mai i whanga manule o oe Pasifiki toe asia si teli a hawhili ka pasi a si ai e wheka e a tua wala u whopia o whanga o e halakalu a e konga kau me ono whanga i ka lesi e nau mai i whanga manule o oe Pasifiki
Ko tau pehe ko tau o ke kau hala koe whewhine kau whae e iai ho e ki. Paka tau toi alu ki he kau tangata e iai peho mo ho e ki. Tō atu pehe pea e ua ia. Sai, ko e poro ke mea mai lewa malo. Ospe ni hoko mai poro kalama a kue ni. Pea ko tui ko nea o ke ai kua maa umaya ene io junior ki he ene tau olu.
Kore ke hupanga he ngahi whakatapu ko osana whai me moani. Ka tā mo oku ke whakahoko atu e ki tau olunga he whiawhini. Ko e tau olunga eni, ai kau ata kotoa pe. Kolo maire kotoa pe oku he maru e whareni, ko tau whasi eni. Malo au pito.
Wā vaso sere iongi hena DJ. Ai, pe ai. Haolele mai ki Nusila. Malo kataki e programa kueni na e hene ki fefine. Kueni Osipe programa kueni hokoleva e programa te evita pe amono fanga friends. Ospe goya pe kataki anti ko lulu mai pe tau te sea ko e ka ale ke ai e familia ene io una si hela talo e nau si mai he weekendi o ko nau fasi e ta mai DJ ospe ko ya
Pea e whakawhiat pe taine talunga. Asinga koe waka koe hao me i hunga longo mapu whale vai pangai motu. Taine talunga, whawhi taine talunga ke mea mai ki moani pea kole atu ki a... Kaupe wawawe ia. Where's Jessica? Is Jessica here?
We just want to invite Jessica or Liliana to come and take this gift for you. Liliana kaya mea e whangatakoa e ni io e mao. Koloa peke ke whoki at moena o ai.
Malo au pito si I ofa. Ai kau whewhine, pea moe whakahiki tama I he ahoni, whakamalo atu ka ki mo tolu, o mo ene I o junior, whawhawhunga e atu a si mote, pea mo ene I o lahi e whakamalo lo te honga koe ni. Ka tau hoko atu ai ki he tau olunga koe ni, prokalama a koe ni, pea koutui pe koe ospe ni, hoko mai lewa ai tau olunga koe ai whae tangata si mote. Malo, si mote siale.
Ko le pe ke o poke ata e whainga maaria koe ni ke o whai haki tau olunga. Na aku tā kai whala ki pa oku pia mo la sene o whai ki tau olunga koe ni tahi nene iyo. Kai ke aha mea ia mo ua, kai ke aha mea tahi ma. Ka koe ki tola taha koe ni au kune hanga mau pe o whalangilangi. E kui whāna I he ofa. Koe kene o mai hapa anga ka whakapō e ofa. E whakame I te I he ahoni pia moi ofa lahi atka te koe. Ene iyo kai pe ko ki family. Ene iyo ye. O koe whakse o ku to'o pe e koe ko whangofua te e au. To'o, halaki umata. Ko ilo pe au o kuwei pe ene ki potu ngā au hene o tonu ke whai. Pea ko I ai e Ameria whamole mole, ko te alu kawhei. Ko ia tā mai e tau mea lea, ka tau hoko atu.
He
Malo ko tau kataka mole ko tau hoko mua ki he tau olunga ko ia e whaho ko ia si mote. Katoki ai e tau olunga si mote lahi, katoki ai e tau olunga e whaetangata ko ia si mote siale. Ko hia he ko e whine ko ni kusi hau ia mei astele ku si whema o ke whoki. Malo mua ene io. Sake mau iloi. O angalelei mai e. Sai ko tau polokalama hoko, ko e polokalama eni a Luisa, a Tayala mono family, a whakamalo atu, a ho mea mai ke whakalangilangi a si mote. Alu ea e pe uktonga ane, ka kou irifia, nata e whoki mai whahu anai o whotahono nima. Malo suri.
Ko tomatu hawhawhetai ke tui o langi i he ene taula mahao e tau mo ui o tau au sia mai e whiawha koloa ko ni. Pea lava ai ke mau kauate ki i whamiri masiva taha pea mo ango ai masiva ai ki i whamiri ko eni. Ko e ki tau olunga ko eni, ko ki mau tolu foki ko o mai foki mei eua. Pa ko eua foki, ko fukakai a ngā noa, tō mui pehe mea kotoa, pea ko mau whenga pehe ke mau lava mai o whaiha ki whakame ite, ke tahine ko ene io. Pea ko ia aku, ke osimea i pe, ko e whamiri masiva heni. Ka aku mau fie kau ngā kau atu pe moho moko puna, i he whakawhiwhia aho koe ni, ke whakafofonga ia tatau olunga, ai et ka tek moa ko kore atu pe ene i ok si e ki tola ia ku i tek teki ko ni ma ku lava pe ki ka pai lava mai pe koe ke to ate ki tek teki kai ta mai fasi ke fameite tahine ko ni malo.
Malo suri. Sai foke ahoni e kulaivi foke katoanga koe ni. Toi holopea suri la paha sai ke ilo mai ko e uaen. Malo a pito me whaitālai. Funky friends, ko te vita ko e ki angkolo ia a ene io pepe. Oh, ko eni. Ko pehe au ia ku ke o si hola ko e ia. Fu vai haka pehe.
Kore ke hu whanga atu i he ngā i whakatapu ko osi mei mua. Kai ata mua ke whai peha ki i maa whana, tu loa tene io. Koe ki tālunga koe ni, o kufulahi ku vai haka ki a mote, pea ku teu kawa ue mo e whahai a mote. Koe ki tālunga koe ni, koe whae tangata whoki a mote, mote si koe ia o kou hoa mo ia. Pea koe ne whanau ena, te nau. Laka mai ki he, o whaiha ki whakame i te he, ke mahino ka mote si, ko no whai te riha a ngā eni, ke ki ilaka mā mau taha i rewa, i he whanau ko e ni ene i o whamore more pe. Ne ongo ku
Si e me e aku mau. Ka koe manawa o ku ofa. Te mau kakao mai me. Ke whae mea o ke lotu ki ai. Ne ongo ku mama o e hoa. Ka kona foi manawa a pia moti. Pena kai e whakakau kau ke hape pēn. Ka koe ku manatu ki whai toka. Au kore e whanau. Ka pēka saia moi whanau. Ne ongo e tau masi maa saia. Ko tau loto pēke tau ofa. O ko ofa atu ene iho. Kai uma aho moko puna. Amusia. Ho moko puna au ku ke isio ke te koe. Ka ko alo e hoa. Kai whele ai whaka moko puna. Ka ko whanau nā watu. Tā ai mai mua haki fwai whasi. Mei wawa upe. He koe wawa uau. He ko uma upe e lolo. Koe loto moko moko. Ka ko ofa lahi atu e tek mautor hono koto ape. Ofa atu ki e sola mo e vulangi. O ku mousi i tuku o mo. Ululua, me ange mua o to o si, me a ofa e whangamoko.
Malo, whamalo atu ki he whahako whatongia whafo o whakoia, pia malo mua kainga o mō kei kātaki. Ka koe te tau hoko atu eni ki a Te Vita. Ko Te Vita, ko e whohasi si ia a Simote pia mō ene io, pia ko e younger brother ia o Simote Siale. Whamole mole at peki he ngai friends o Te Vita. I know you guys have been waiting for hours, but we would love to hear you guys perform, to see you guys perform this afternoon. So, Devita, bring your friends. Ospe koini, pea whaka osi lewa e tau Polo Kalama, e tau Olunga ene io Liliana, ene io Ululua, pea hiri ko ia, pea tau toki ko e tau lava ia e tau Polo Kalama ki e whiawhini. Loat ki e tangata whaita, pe fo ki e tangata TJ, pea pe ki mautolu, ho mou kei mea fuoloa i heni. Ko hili pe ku whakanowha piso pe mo tokoni ulaki, ko nasi mea at ke na te teu ke Polo Kalama pong pongi. Whakawhie fia. Malo.
akai. O kina tonu e mui mai I hoku tua, ke maluki mai, me langi. Si o to koro, si roto I tona, tuki pea so, o ka taunaka. Ao tona, kua me tala, koe aho oe, tau mai te sitangata. Koe hera, koe ha, koe mamana, koe fuka te fusi te vilingia, mate maatama kua, sutaka watua, matama ko hoku tofia. Koe hera, koe ha, koe mamana, koe fuka te fusi te vilingia, mate maatama kua, sutaka watua, matama ko hoku tofia. Do they know?
Ene io. Is baby still here? Oh, io. Fiutari au pito ene io. Okay, koe tau matui whako tau toltonga, whae, pea koe teu koe katoanga koe ke tau maha malolo. Pea ko mo pe, pea ko ia e whae a Princess ene io, pea mo ene tamai, na si I ongo I kaike ongo I lele, pea ko ia usi I matui koe muli ia, pea ko ia usi I he mea lele, pea o malolo iai, ka koe ni, ko pepe ene io, hoko pe ia ke ne grandpa mo ne grandma ma te ngata. Pea ko ia koe tau item whaose ni he whiawhini, koe ki whiwhine koe au haana e aho, pea ospe koe I'm going to ask Simo Tesiale to say a few words to acknowledge your family and your friends who are here with us, especially your church members who have taken the time to spend time celebrating your first princess. Ko ia. DJ, koe whasi koe ni o whiri e Princess ene io, koe whasi o Princess Tuli Kutapu. Malo. Malo au pito, angia e pea e whainga maari e koe ni kia simote kene whahoko atu hana ki i lea, whafofonga ia mono whamiri, pea kene ango mātou a mono tu whewhine mono ki te hina malo.
Yeah. First of all, I just want to thank everyone for coming, and I want to thank Heavenly Father for taking time out of your busy day to come celebrate baby's birthday with us. I also want to say thank you to Mom and Dad for everything they've done behind the baby, for all being here. Just want you all to know that we love you all, and I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to be here with us.
E whakahoko at pea he kui koia a Princess Liliana e ne io ululua, e whakahoko at ane ki i lea, pea hiri koia, pa tene whakahoko ai pe tau lotu, pa mo tokanga. O ko whaamu pe mua ke tau oange ha whakapa apa, pea ma e Princessi o haana e ahoni, Liliana e ne io ululua. Hip hip! Te a o si mo te lahi, pea pehe foki ke iki mama o ene io. Hip hip! Okay, well, this one is for all of us. Hip hip! Malo au piuk mai peheni mo e wewe ke mautoki hiko ai fiafi o li ki he kapa. Ka ko whamalo ki he tangata une hulu o awe ki tau tolu i he ope, pea pehe ka ki mo tolu. Pea mo whamole mole i ange, ko e ngata anga e tau polo kalama, pea kole lewa ki he hoe ki, ke whahoko atu e tau lea, pea mo e tau lotu, ko hela ia pe.
Kore peke o whakamalmalu atu i he lotu pea mo e kainga ko e tatau mo e hae fia ko makau he lau. Na kei kia haa manaki e ai ha mea peheni. Ai pe mo sio punou ki lalo pea toi pehepe ko toi tāpu aki e. Pea mahalo koe mea ia kusi kai ke lava mai fini motu a. Mahalo lahi kaki mo tolu ko toa pe o tapa mai. Pea moe whamiri o na wala nima mai ko si tokoni mai kaki maua. Whamalo fo ki heni ki he kainga lotu. Pea pehe fo ki toko taha ko toa pe. Whamiri o ene io. Pea mo whamiri ko mo wafe. Kore whamore more peka ki mou tolu ka pao oku kai ke mou mao ha mea tokoni peka mou foki halo fia ki o mou ngai api ko ngata anga pe ia tolu ko toa pe foki ki he family o ene io pe mou family o whalahi at kak mou tolu whamalo ma ke he heni ki he te ne afea ai ahoni ko ti tei o ku kau e kakai o kai ke pu ia ia ene i oia ka ko e hange ko lau ai pe ai ne fae kai tangata ene o tupu ai ka ene i ko no hinga ia ku si ia fe mai to ta ko ni pe fo ke fa malo la hai ki he televisione ku ni hang tu e ngai me ko ia kai toki tuku ake kore whamore more at kak mou tolu, pea moe ofalahi atu. Whamalo ma ke he ni ke kau taho ni, moe fofonga mari kuna o mai, ko tuwe ku kai ke ha mea kai, mea tokoni ke nao mao. Ka koe fofonga fia aho ni, ate whamalo la. Mou foki fia ko mou ngai family, pea mou alat ke lotu apongpongi. Koe ofai a pea moe lea ku mo fai pea mo ki family tua e ki ofa atu. Tama he wani o kuma o makatuunga i he lotu mo e tau tapa. Na e fai ki mua. ki o awhi o ke tokoni mai, ho lau maari ke mau mau ia whakatatau pa mo whinangalo. Au to uta mo oi ke mau ngai apita ki taha. Mau kore whamore more hangai tōno no ko ha whaka aho at me te mau tōno. Whamore more e angi.